Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 17, The Lion and the Elephant. Once upon a time, there was a lion who lived in a dense forest. He was very strong and powerful, the ruler of the jungle. But he had one problem that troubled him, a fear of the roosters crowing. He couldn't help but feel ashamed that such a small creature could scare him. It made him sad, and he cried thinking about his fear. One day, he noticed an elephant flapping its ears anxiously. The lion approached and asked, "Why are you scared, elephant? What's bothering you?" The elephant replied, "I'm afraid of the black mosquito. If it gets into my ear, the pain drives me crazy." The lion, upon hearing this, thought to himself, "If even a huge, giant animal like an elephant can be scared of a tiny mosquito, then it's okay for me to have fears too. I shouldn't feel bad about it." He realized that even the mightiest creatures had their weak points. With renewed self-confidence, he made up his mind not to let fear hold him back. After all, he had many responsibilities as the king of the jungle. The moral of the story is that even the strongest beings have fears and weaknesses. It's natural to feel afraid or insecure at times, regardless of our strength or power. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.